Video I'm going to show you how to import a SQL table from MySQL to HDFS using Cloudera Quick Start. So you can see I have this Cloudera VM installed, and I have this SQL also. Okay, so let me log into the SQL. The username is the MySQL root -b Cloudera. Okay, so let me show databases, and you can see there's a mkd database, and let me use mkd, and let me show the table. Okay, so you can see there's a table dd, so let me select all from dd, and I need to import this table from mkd database to HDFS. Okay, and before that, let me HDFS dfs-ls. I have this mkd mixture directory, and let me list this one. You can see this is the directory. Okay, so we have to import this table from this mkd database to this mkd mixer directory, and we'll create another folder like dd or mkd. Okay, so let me run let me type the sqoop command. So sqoop import, okay, -- connect. We'll be using jdbc :mysql. Okay, and here the VM name will be quickstart.cloudera. Okay, and then the database name is mkd. So sqoop import -- connect jdbc mysql quickstart.cloudera mkd, and username will be, the username of this database is root, MySQL is root, and password is Cloudera. Okay, and -- table, which table we are going to import? dd. Okay, and we need to give the map reduce, how much the mapper will be there, and then target directory, target -d mkd mixture. Okay, and then here we need to give this directory mkd or dd something. Let me do it dd. So sqoop import -- connect jdbc mysql quick start cloudera, and this is a database, and username is root, password is cloudera, and table name dd. This is the mapper, and target directory mkd mixer. Let me hit this one, and it will take time to execute. You can see it's working now, and you can see this is the table. Select star from dd limit 1. Okay, this is the Hadoop map reduce home directory is here. Okay, job is completed successfully. So let me run that command. Let me list this one, HDFS dfs ls. You can see this is the part of this. Okay, let me get this one. So before that, let me clear, and let me do HDFS dfs -get Let me paste this one. Okay, so this is the table, this was the table, and you can see same table is imported here to this HDFS location. You can see same table is okay. So this is how you can import this table from MySQL to HDFS using Sqoop. Okay, so next video we are going to show you uh, how to join to table and how to import the inner join or the outer join table to this directory. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.